I post different monthly subscription boxes. No. I post a variety of different types of subscription. Bleh. I post a variety of different types Kipes. Hey, what's up, witches, and welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys have followed me on my social medias, you will know that I've been hinting that there are a few new subscriptions on the horizon for this channel. And today's video is going to be one of those brand new subscriptions. And that's for Ginger Red Coffin. Now, this box is not only new to me and to the channel, but it's also kind of just new in general. When I looked it up online, it looks like the very first box may have been December of 2019. So this June box is actually only their 7th box. And unfortunately, you know, I always like to give you guys all the information I can about the box so you can make a decision whether it's right for you. There wasn't a whole lot of information about the box itself on their website. But of course, I'll go ahead and share with you what information I know. This is a US-based subscription box, and it is $34.99 plus tax with free shipping within the US. They do ship internationally, but they have, I'll put up on the screen here, it's a whole chart for how much the shipping is to your particular area. But just know they do ship to your area, it just might cost a little bit more. Now, I could not find any information about how many items we might expect to receive in each box or any kind of idea for the box total value. I honestly couldn't even find on their website any information about what types of items we might find in the box. However, on their Facebook page, in their About Me, I was able to find this little bit of information. We are Ginger Red Coffin, and we've heard your creepy cries for the spookiest subscription service for all those who have a more eccentric taste for life. Crafted and designed with all obscurities in mind, we are dedicated to bringing the best of brands and products to you on a monthly basis from the dark side. Our boxes will contain a variety of oddities and flair from a wide array of types. Whether you desire unique jewelry or bizarre home decor, you'll love our collection of items for the strange and unusual. With monthly themes tailored to the macabre vixen, we have devised a box that will leave you dying for the next. And of course, as they mentioned there, they do have different themes each month, and June's theme is demonic. Now, did I paint my nails and do my makeup to match this month's box theme? Absolutely I did. So now that we are all dolled up and ready to go. Also, real quick, speaking of dolled up, my shirt. I just gotta show you my shirt. Hang on just a second. Stay evil, doll face. Thanks, Pinky Star. Not sponsored. Just love the brand. Now that all that's out of the way, we know the theme. It's demonic. It's occasionally moving around and clunking around in there. So let's go ahead and get into this demonic Ginger Red Coffin. Now, you guys know, typically when I open the box, I show you guys what's inside before I see myself. However, when I ordered this box, they did show what the inside of the boxes typically look like, and they're wrapped in paper. So it's gonna be a surprise for all of us. But let's see what all the cards are on top. Now, first up, we have the business card on top, and on back, it's got all of their contact information and website. Of course, I will link all that down below. The next item is the card that tells us all the items that we have within our box this month. Not going to look at that, but of course, on this side, we see this month's art. All right, so the next couple of cards in here, we have a thank you card. Dear Coffin Beauties, we thank you for subscribing to our box, and of course it gives a little bit of information there. It also has a quote from Lily Munster. It doesn't matter how many people run away screaming, so long as I know I'm beautiful. Let me tell him, Lily. Tell him. It looks like they give you a little bit of information, maybe why they chose. I don't know if you can hear it, but there is a raging thunderstorm going on, so if you hear rumbling in the background, that would be Mother Nature. just letting me know she's still there. So I'm not going to read all of it, but I am going to give you just kind of an idea of maybe why they chose this theme. It says, we cannot let the monsters win, we cannot let the demons in. We all have our demons, every last one of us. Worries and fears eat at the fabric of our courage like moths. There is darkness in all of us, all around us, and it's easy to let these demons take hold, to surrender to them and let them rule our lives. And yet, there is always hope. For hope is the light which penetrates even the deepest darkness. This box will prepare you to face those demonic forces which seek to harm us, to fight them and to force them out. Chant the words and believe them as you do. We cannot let the monsters win. We cannot let the demons in. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. When I saw the artwork, I honestly thought it was going to be like maybe Exorcist theme. Obviously, because the little. But yeah, when I saw the artwork, I thought it was gonna be like all Exorcist theme, and it was gonna be Damien and Omen and, you know, all those kind of things. I was not expecting such a deep level for the demons. I didn't know they meant the demons that are within us, the darkness that's within us that we have to try to fight every single day. Some of us more than others. I like that a lot, actually. I was not expecting something so deep from a subscription box. So amazing on you, Ginger Red Coffin. I love it. Well, now that I don't know what to expect at all, I am really looking forward to digging into this box. So let's go ahead and get started. So now we have our little box here with our goodies. And it's a very light box, so I'm very interested to see what all is in here because it doesn't feel like a lot because it's just so lightweight. So let's see. On top we have, okay, so we have this choker here, and this is from Ginger Red Coffin. So I'll go ahead and pop into that. Here is our choker, and we've got the little cross on it here. It is a very, I don't know if you can see it there, but it is a very thin metal. I feel like if you were to get this caught on anything, it would bend very easily. But that's it. That is our choker. So next up in the box we have candy. So we've got these little guys here and what looks like pixie sticks kind of items. Let's see. Wow, that's everywhere. Genuinely thought I had like worked that down just a little bit further, but apparently I had not. Now it's all over my knife, it's all over me. It is a pixie stick, and it is super watermelon flavored. Like, I like watermelon. That's just straight up artificial watermelon flavor. But that was our second item. Maybe second, third? I don't know, we'll see. That was our next set of items in the box. Let's continue to check out what's inside this demonic box. And next up we have a pin. Let's go ahead and open this. All right, so the next item we have in the box is our little coffin pin here. Next item in the box, I actually thought it was going to be another pin because it was on the same style of paper, but no. The next item in the box here are some little dangling cross earrings, and they are, I guess, just regular earrings, like regular sized earrings there. Let's see, what is this? Oh, okay. So this is what I saw here on the front. I was like, what is all this cardboard? This is a Lunatic's Cosmetic single eyeshadow refill. Oh, cute. Okay. Inside here, we have this little... I'm torn whether that little guy there is a moth or a bee. I don't know. But this is what the color looks like. It does not tell me what shade this is. We'll give him a little swatch. That is the shade there. We have a Hex Removal Exorcism Ritual Bath. Sprinkle half the package into a warm bath, dunk entire body, soak for 20 minutes, and the ritual is done. So that's what that says there. And I'm curious, I mean, it sounds like just Epsom salt, but I'm curious to see if it's something blended in with the Epsom salt or it's just a mineral soak bath. But then again, I mean, according to Supernatural, every demon can be managed with some rock salt. So maybe Epsom salt is the way to go. It does look like some Epsom salt there, but there is obviously something else mixed in there with it. I don't know what those little brown specks are. Brown, black. I don't know what those are. Well, it will clear your sinuses. Very menthol. Whew, okay. Smells good, but it will open you up. Alright, so we're down to what looks like our last couple of items here in the box. And the next item I see is this little, it's got a little magnet here on the back. So it is a picture of a girl possessed. Looks like she is pinned up in the corner of a ceiling somewhere. But like I said, there's a magnet. It's got a little button magnet here on the back. And that is what we see there on the front. Alright, so the last item in our box here is a black obsidian arrowhead. Arrowhead properties. Have you been feeling scattered lately? Unable to focus on what's important? Use the shape of this stone to help remind you that there's always direction available to help you know what to do, where to go, and what to do next. You can use an arrowhead to help you focus on your intention and identifying what you enjoy doing. When you do what you love, prosperity, peace, and love will be more abundant in your life. So that is his little card there, and that is our arrowhead. That's the last of the items here in our box, so let's go ahead and do a quick recap. We have the Hex Removal Exorcism Ritual Bath, and this is from East Coast Mystic. The Black Obsidian Arrowhead from New Aura Vibes. Possessed Woman Wall Crawler Magnet, and this is from Mystic Merchant Gifts. The Invocation Eyeshadow from Lunatics Cosmetic Labs. The cross earrings, these are lead and nickel free, and they are from Ginger Red Coffin. Our coffin enamel pin, and also from Ginger Red Coffin. Our cross choker, and this is also from Ginger Red Coffin. And lastly, we got our Bat and Bones candy and sugar straws. And here at the very, very, very bottom of the card, just above the little asterisk that says all of our collections are vegan and cruelty free, which is always appreciated, it does actually give us a total value for this box. And this box value is $62. Almost would have missed that. That is very small. But yeah, so it is a $62 value for the box, and I paid $34.99 plus tax. I think it was like $37 after 37 and some change after tax. So we've reached that time in the video where I like to give you guys my final thoughts on the box. Of course, this is a brand new box. This is our very first one of these, and I'm not overly wowed by this box. Now, pictures I've seen of boxes previous, it looked like a lot of larger items and items that maybe I would use on a more regular basis. It could just be the fact that a lot of the items in this box were so small. I mean, we have, you know, the little earrings, the magnet, the pin, the single eyeshadow, candy. So a lot of the items seem like I'm not getting as much of my value that I paid for it. Like, I don't know the ingredients to the salt bath, and I'm not sure exactly how much black obsidian is valued at. But for me, this box didn't quite make my expectations. But I think maybe it's just this box, like I said. The boxes that I've seen previously, all the ones that I saw on their Instagram, that was the reason why I subscribed to this box. It looks good. Maybe we just got a bad box this month. Maybe this wasn't our month. maybe next month will be better. And what is next month? July's theme has already been announced, and it is spooky summer. Very intrigued to see what that one is. I mean, I thought demonic was just going to be, you know, the Exorcist themed items in here. I wasn't expecting it to be internal struggle with our demons deep down within. So now I'm intrigued to see, what is spooky summer? Is there a deeper meaning to that one? I don't know. I'm intrigued to see. I'm also very curious to know, what do you guys think? This one may not have been the best box to start us out on. Let's just say that. It seemed a little light. It was our little appetizer. So now that we got our appetizer out of the way, when July rolls around here and we get our spooky summer box, we'll be ready for the main course. But of course, guys, I always want to know, what do you think? What do you think of this box? Is Ginger Red Coffin something you've ever heard of before? Are you interested in subscribing to the box yourself? Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below. And guys, before you leave, before you click out, go ahead, hit that like button. Let me know that you like this video. And if you're not already, but you'd like to be, hit subscribe, ring that bell. Get notified every time I post a new video. I post new videos every week, and of course, now we will have the Ginger Red Coffin every month, in and amidst all our other subscription boxes. So like I said, hit like, hit subscribe, ring that bell, get notified, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye! Okay, that's about it. Where's my mouse? Mouse.